I came out of the informal car parking. I don't know whether it is informal or formal, but nothing is written about parking. Google Map just says that okay, you can park here, and some locals confirmed it's okay to park the car. And this is the road towards Chaliyam Beach. After walking for a couple of minutes, I reached a place like this. And this is the road I have to take to go to Chaliyam Beach. This is the way I came from. There are some boat services here. I can see some boats. And the other side of this land is Beypore Beach. And there is something called like some kind of a bridge into the sea. So I'm going to explore that same kind of thing on the Chaliyam Beach side. Later I plan to go to Beypore Beach as well. So here I start walking. They have a lot of boat service and boating related activities, and these are all the boat jetties, so to speak, on the Chaliyam side. I have to take that road, basically go through this road and go all the way through that road. So in a few meters I reached something called this Oceanus Chaliyam. Maybe it just got to do with all the ocean related activities on Chaliyam Beach. I saw one car coming out of this place, but I'm fine to get some sunlight and some reason to walk. It is a bit hot and humid, around 30s, 30 to 33. But I am having a good breeze here and I'm enjoying the walk. I saw one boating activity here, ocean safari. The road has become like this now, with no border on pretty much both sides. And if I look at the ocean side, there are these boulders, and it looks like this is similar to the bridge on the Beypore side that you see far ahead, far away. I keep walking. I'm the only person here. It is 12:54. Maybe the place gets crowded in the evening. There is a little shed on the left side. Maybe that is a shop that sells water, juice, etc. when people are there. This is the Beypore side of the bridge that I can see from Chaliyam side. Here's a boat that is going on a boat tour. It's a pretty long bridge going all the way to the main land over there. And there are some buildings there, probably Beypore Port. And this is the road I came through on my walk to Chaliyam Beach. A few more meters and here I am. This path continues and they are planning to set up some stalls or something on the left side. There are some shops and probably they are setting up some facility for accommodation. And there is the beach here. Let me see if I can explore this further. There are some rugged steps that can take me down, and this is Chaliyam Beach. Here is another rugged entry point to the beach. I'm not going to go inside, but I will just take the video of the beach. Here's a bird waiting for its fish, and I'm going to walk further down this street. Someone has brought a car all the way here. This seems to be the end of it. I'm curious to see what is at the end of this path. So I came forward, and there is a clear marking to not get vehicles inside, but I think two-wheelers can still go inside. So let me see. Somebody is over there. So let me see what else is there. So I reached somewhat of the end of this road. People are walking further ahead, but I think that area is under renovation. So this is how it looks from here. First, let's look at the side. On Beypore side, this is a long bridge that we saw on the Beypore side. It's a full 360-degree turn. This is how I came, and that is the beach, Chaliyam Beach, and lot of ocean water. That's open seas, and back to this place. It's 13:13, and I started my walk back from Chaliyam Beach to my parking lot. In fact, these are all places of accommodation, and you can see this Oceanus Chaliyam. Maybe they are still setting up things. Not sure if anybody can live here. That's Chaliyam Beach. There is some defense related facility coming up near Chaliyam Beach. This is where it is located. I still have some more distance to walk. I have reached the entrance of this place called Oceanus Chaliyam, and that's also where this defense facility is there going to be set up.